Quantum healing is a very easy and effortless way to deal with a number of health issues for which conventional medicine does not have any reliable treatment. Today, I'm going to share with you an experience of healing a lady who was suffering from severe menstrual cramps and severe pain during her monthly cycle. I responded to a Facebook post where a lady had written about her experience of having severe pain during her monthly cycle for many, many years. And I wrote to her that quantum healing was a reliable way in which she needed to take no medicines. There were no side effects for this treatment, and the treatment would very easily and quickly get her relieved from this pain. She was willing to try, and she asked me how the healing would work because she had never heard about quantum healing before. So I told her that quantum healing was a simple method which we could use even on a video call. She was curious to know how it worked, so I told her that I simply had to focus on her lower abdominal area, the pelvic region. We call it as the Swadhisthana chakra. It's the vortex which regulates the flow in the lower abdominal region. Periods pain is very often due to a disorder in the Apana Vata. You see, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, these are the three regulatory systems of the body. And Vata is the regulatory system which controls all kinds of movement in the body. So all kinds of flow that happens in the body is controlled by Vata. Typically, out of the 10 different types of Vata, the Apana Vata, which is the downward flowing system, is what regulates the monthly cycle. So when there's a disorder with the Apana Vata, then typically people would experience problems with the menstrual system. So I told this lady that most probably there would be a problem with her Apana Vata, and that was causing the pain. So she asked me how would this be treated. So I said I just needed to focus on her lower abdominal or the pelvic region while I was in a very silent state of mind called as the 0 point, and then automatically she would start experiencing changes in her body. I told her that in almost 90% of such cases, there is a Vata release, which means that the stuck pressure in the lower abdominal region in the reproductive system will start getting released, usually in the form of burps, right? So she was a bit surprised, but luckily she was willing to try it. So we fixed up a time, we connected on a video call, and I started the treatment for her. I told her to be observant and keep her entire awareness on the lower abdominal region and to keep me updated on whatever she felt happening there. The moment I started the treatment, I started sensing a lot of vibrations on my palms. So typically I placed my palms like this. I was focusing my attention on her pelvic region, and I started sensing the biofield of her body. The moment I started doing that, I got a lot of vibrations and sensations on my palms. And surprisingly, she also started feeling a tingling sensation in the lower abdominal region as well as on her feet. So I told her that it indicated that there was a change which had started happening in her body. Very soon, she started feeling some movement in the pelvic region. And in a short while, she started reporting to me that she was feeling as if something was moving in the upward direction. I told her that quite possibly the stuck Vata was getting released. And I told her to watch out if she felt any accumulation of gas in the abdominal region. In about 5 to 7 minutes, I noticed that she had some sensation of something stuck in the body. She had a little bit of discomfort. So I asked her what was happening, and she told me that she felt as if there was something which was stuck in her chest or the throat, somewhere over here. I asked her what it was, and she told me that it felt as if there was some pressure which had got stuck here in the chest region. I immediately focused my attention on her chest and gently started sensing the biofield of her body. And within a few minutes, she had her first burp. I told her that it was a sign of successful healing, that the stuck vat was getting released. And in a short while, she had 4 or 5 more burps. I asked her to check whether the pain had reduced, and she was happy to tell me that the pain had come down by at least about 20 to 30%. I continued doing the treatment, and one after another, there were several burps. In about 10 to 15 minutes more, there were more than about 50 to 60 burps that she had. So much of gas which was stuck in. After a while, there were really huge ones, a lot of gas getting released. And every time gas would get released, she would get reduction in the pain that she was experiencing. After about 20 minutes and probably more than 100, 150 burps more, she was feeling quite relieved. So I stopped the healing session there and asked her to report to me the next day. That was her first day of the cycle. And usually on the first day, she would suffer from very severe pain. However, at the end of the session, she told me that there was no pain at all, and she was feeling very, very relieved. Next morning, she dropped me a message that the pain was almost gone. And she said almost is that approximately about 10% of pain was there. She was just feeling a mild discomfort in the lower abdominal pelvic region. And therefore, I told her that let's have one more quick session, maybe just 10-15 minutes. And the moment we connected, her body immediately started releasing the stuck vat. So again, she started burping. And this time in about 15 minutes, there were again about 30 to 40 more burps. And then the pain was completely gone. So I told her again to wait and watch. So the next day she spoke to me and she told me that the pain was completely gone. And she was really surprised that with just 2 short sessions, the entire pain that she was experiencing had gone. The stuck pressure in her lower abdominal region, the reproductive system, had got completely released from her body. She was in fact amazed to see how much of gas was stuck in her body, which was creating all this problem for so many years. When she asked me, how does this work? I told her that in quantum healing, we go down to the deepest level of a human existence, which is called as the 0 point, or the state of nothingness. And at that level, whatever changes happen in the body permanently. So ideally, she would never have this pain again. The body had got relieved of whatever stuck flow was there in her body for probably a very long time. And henceforth, she would never have any pain during her periods. So friends, quantum healing is a very simple method. You don't need to follow any processes, any methods. It's a very simple thing. You just need to sense the person's biofield on your palms and simply receive the communication from the other's body. While you are in a silent state of mind, the other's body will spontaneously and automatically start creating the required changes in order to get the body in the right condition of energy and order, which would get the person relieved from whatever health condition he or she is facing. Those of you who would want to learn this technique can enroll in my online course, the link for which is given at the end of this video. It's a very simple course. It's about 5 hours of video lessons in about 40 different chapters or 40 different lessons. And it includes also various guidelines on quantum healing, the fundamental principles, the concepts and the theory, along with practical demonstrations, do's and don'ts, guidelines, and various other tips which can help you heal yourself as well as heal others. There is a section on how to do healing on video call. There is a section on how to work on all the 7 chakras of your body. So check out the link that is given at the end of this video and enroll in the course. The course comes at a very attractive discounted price. So have a look at it. And if you're interested, do enroll. I'm fully committed to guide you and help you during this whole process. So feel free to connect with me at any point in time. Thank you very much.